Hey, hey, y'all. It's Michelle and...
Monkey! Hi, guys. We're back with another video.
What are we doing?
Monkey pick.
Yay. Let me just bring y'all up. There you are. Say hi, Sandy.
Hi, Sandy.
And Virginia.
Hi, Virginia. There's two Virginias.
I know. Virginia. Hello, everybody coming in. So we are doing
Monkey's pick.
So they are
Gonna buy mystery boxes on monkeyscreation.com.
Yay! So today we're gonna do, I asked and y'all wanted the 6, 8, and 10-inch mystery box Sennas. So you get 6 Sennas in each
box.
And the 6-inch is
$35, the 8-inch is $40, and the 10-inch is $45.
And it all ships for
free.
Yay! You can't get much better than that, right? So we are gonna let Monk pick his mystery boxes. I've already got all the boxes taped up, and we're just gonna see what he kind of puts in all of them. So these are available on monkeyscreations.com in the 6, 8, and 10-inch. And they are under fabric Sennas. And they are mystery. So you don't know what you're getting until you get it, right?
Uh-huh. It's a whole surprise.
It's a surprise. All right. So you ready to start?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so go ahead. Here is box number 1. Taylor's not here to help us today, but we're going to manage just the 2 of us. How many's in there? Hold on. Okay. Oh, that one gets a rooster. Rooster. 1, 2, go ahead. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I will go through before I ship these out, clean them up, and make sure there is a cable mount on the back. So some of them do, some of them don't, but they will have a cable mount before they ship out to y'all, okay? There you go. Hey, it's Friday. It's Friday.
It's Funky Friday.
Funky Friday? What's Funky Friday?
I don't know.
You didn't know, y'all. Ooh, that one's getting a peacock, y'all. Isn't that pretty? Okay, there you go. Hello. Oh, y'all seeing me in my sunflower shorts. Are you putting any of these in there? Pretty roses. Are those roses gorgeous? I love those. There you go. Monk is excited for school. Absolutely. Every day it's like, can we go buy supplies? I'm like, we don't even know what you need yet.
It's always pencils, crowns, and glue, and scissors, and a backpack, and a lunchbox.
Ah. Peacock. Hello, hello. Is that 6? Ow, my finger! Boy! Do the next box.
Okay. Oh, it word corrected you. It said do the next talk.
Oh, yeah? I know, he's so silly.
Grandma, we're running out.
Yep, we only had 10 of these boxes, remember?
Yeah, but there's only 5. And there's no other ones that we can do, and I got all of them.
Are you sure they all had 6? Are you positive?
Uh-huh. Go check them.
I'll double check them, make sure y'all get at least 6. Does that one have 6? Okay. He is a handsome helper.
5, 6. There's only one of these left.
Okay.
8 inches.
So there are your 6-inch boxes.
I don't think this one could fit.
Now we're going to do, hold on.
We could fit
We're going to do the 8, I know. We're going to do the 8-inch boxes. And look at these. I haven't even made these available yet. Are they not gorgeous? There's one. They only get one of that one. Get this one.
I got 2 of them.
Oh, this one has the happy birthday.
Whoever has a birthday, shout it out in the comments.
There you go. Are you putting 6? 6. Okay.
One, 2,
You already put 1.
3, 4, 5, 6.
And whoever gets the watermelon, I will put the ants in there with it. Okay?
Ants.
Yeah, I have those big fake ants, remember?
Oh yeah, the ones that we try to put on Mom's toilet on Halloween.
Don't tell our secrets. Go ahead, you got another box. Miss Duncan's birthday is today. Tell her happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Miss Duncan!
Oh, that one has the unicorn. Did you already put one of those in there? Yep.
Yep. Basketball.
Oh, this one's getting the basketball. And these are available. These are Monkey's Picks. They are mystery Santa boxes that you can get on my website.
And remember,
At where?
monkeyscreation.com. And remember, $5 of it goes to me.
His price goes up every time we go live.
Last time I said $10.
Don't yell, don't yell.
Last time I said $10. Get the watermelon.
Ooh, the watermelon. Oh, that one gets the turkey. Look at that one. Isn't that gorgeous?
6.
And the flags. Yeah, he's too smart. Last one.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
We counted that one right, huh?
I didn't sign up to do that big of a book.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
These are the 10-inch. Should we show them some of the 10-inch we have?
Yeah.
Now, these are perfect. I've showed y'all how to do them on the rails. You can use them as the large flower Santa. Use it as a regular sign.
Here we got the blue flowers. You get that one. The happy birthday again. Make sure Mr. Duncan gets this one.
Oh, that was the kitty cats.
Kitties. We have a cat around.
1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, the dog print. 5.
School.
School. 6.
Oh,
Oh, hold on. Let me move them closer to you.
yes, ma'am. And remember, $2 go. All the money goes to Grandma except $5. The $5.
All right, move that over there. Let's sort these real quick. We got the dog, the cat, skulls, patriotic. I'll try to organize them by, ooh, look at that one.
Whoever gets the peacock wins.
What did they win?
How
many do you have in there?
Their money back.
No, we
Yeah.
can't have that.
Yes, we can. You won't give me my money. I put those ones.
You already put that one in?
I don't think I did. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I put it in.
Y'all, he's too much. What grade are you in, Monk?
3rd. Then I have $90.
So how many more do you need for that one?
2, 3, 5. One more. I'm gonna pick you.
Did you already put that one in there or no?
This one in there.
Huh?
I put this one in there.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. All right. There's your next one.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Awesome.
Grandma, whoever gets the one that I'm gonna sign one of these, and whoever gets it gets 10% off.
Can you put them in there?
10% off.
3. 8 going on 18, right? Which one is your favorite?
Puppy dog.
The puppy dogs. You all right?
Something.
Ooh, look at this one. Have you put, look at, it's the peacock. Is that 6?
That's 5.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Dang it.
Yeah, I'm not going to let him do any more lives.
What? Who said that?
Come on. 6 more. You're sliding off. Scoot over.
I didn't see that.
How many?
That is
1,
4.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Dang it. What was wrong?
6. Hello from Delaware.
Oh, we got 81 people.
His goal was 100 while he was live. No, Nadine.
What'd she say?
Nothing.
I know.
How many you have? 1, 2, 3.
I know what she said. I'll buy one next time and get one free. I didn't say that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, y'all.
6, y'all.
Ah.
All right, last one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put another one of these in. Oh, where's it?
Okay, there's 6. Yay.
And we'll give this one free to somebody else.
Would you quit giving my product away? Y'all tell him that's not how you do business.
That's how YouTubers do it.
All right, enough.
Okay.
All right, that's it, y'all. So these are available where?
monkeyscreation.com.
And the 6-inch Santas are how much?
$35.
The 8-inch?
$40.
And the 10-inch?
$45.
And they all ship for?
Free.
There you go, y'all. So go grab them. If they get your... Stop it, Barbara. All right, that's all we got. Y'all have an amazing day. VIP, I am up tomorrow, so I'll see you tomorrow. And I'll probably see the rest of y'all Monday. Have an amazing weekend, y'all.
Bye, guys. I was at 98.
Oh, we were so close.
93 now.
Oh, everybody's leaving.
No, guys, don't leave.
Don't leave. Let's get him up to 100, y'all. Get him up to... Uh-oh, more people are leaving.
I said don't leave.
All right, y'all have an awesome weekend.
Bye,
y'all.
guys. Thank you for 98.